What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Ay, what you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the What you know about rolling down in the
You didn't bring this food. This is not my plate, guys. This Sean made this.
Yeah,
Perfect.
big up on the yourself, you see me? You don't know Bussweh again. Today, check out some more expletives. So, hey guys, big up on yourself, you see me? Like no or nothing like that. Just big up on yourself. So today, I just want to make you know so I finally got to reunite with my best friend from like before Christ. You see me? Men are apart from Wappy and Philip did apart. They never kill each other yet. There's no so way apart from before them even meet. So yeah, I just want to take the time out for us say yo, big up the fact say yo. We get to link up, you see me? We never feel like it did possible. We kinda did have hope still, but we never know say like it really did happen. But it happened now and I just want to say yo up, you see me? Yeah. Oh!
Feel like him,
Who that? Him do what?
yeah,
What's so itchy? I'm gonna tell you to tell you that top man baby feel like a job man make.
Happening to me, make me like a computer somewhere, but I know what's the top man part.
They say no know about nothing else.
Top man business around here. We run things around we.
Hear that?
Tevin dead, Tevin up.
Kill him dead.
Heaven is hot.
But
Bro,
babe, remember say you was say.
as your big bro,
Him
make you
hot.
look on your straight and
Remember
tell you
say
this.
you
Guys,
fix up
it's so
people.
hard to be a YouTuber.
Wait.
I'm gonna tell you why. Cause like
Yeah,
you
for
see when
vlogging,
you
you can't
enjoy
live
life, yeah, it's like it take away from like enjoying the moment. So like just know say we had a lot of fun. I'm so happy I got to see her after so many years. I can't wait for God London to pull up our place to make them know who is who. You understand? You get what I say? Mans is in the building.
Oh my
Mans
days.
there. So just know that they get me. So yeah, but I just want to say yo, big up everybody who have somebody. I don't know what
Where's this going?
it did get weird now. Cherish your friends, guys. Don't be like me. I'm an It's just that I have good friends and they stick it out with me, and I appreciate the out of them because I know that I am the worst. I'm literally the worst, you see me? But yeah, one love, one heart. Let's get together.
Like him nah, don't leave. My head hurt me come out of my face.
Take care, bless up.
You don't let me out.
In it? Alright. So yeah guys, big up Barbs. Don't know.